offer sizes on the machine as well. Can we start again? No, okay.
Hello everybody and welcome to the MTD CNC live stream. It's our first at MACH 2022 and we are back. We're on the Shunk stand, we are on the Do-Guard stand,
Chester machine tools.
we are on the NCMT stand,
I'm feeling good, we're here on the Akuma stand.
the Sodi Tech stand. We are on the Heimbuch stand. We're of course on the Heimer stand. We're on the Makino stand.
On the Hoffman Group UK stand.
We're on the Matsura stand. Oh my goodness, we are on the Ceratizit stand.
I'm going to be talking to Nick Peter, Tony Pennington, Dave Note.
John Drover, the sales director from Hexagon.
I'm Alec Warner from Star GB.
With Steve Totti.
I'm with Lee Parnell.
Eric Dugard.
Jason Stifling from JNS Engineering, our friend Colin Thompson.
Here with David Welcher of ZCC Cutting Tools.
Darren Granger from iSpec.
With Tim Patterson and John Waskett. Peter Ames, Absolute Precision.
We've got Brooke from Fanuc UK.
Yeah, well, I'm Peter Harris. I'm the additive manufacturing manager.
Joe Bellis.
I'm Ross Love, I'm the Scottish area sales manager.
Ian Horton, I'm the sales director for NCMT.
Chris Hellier. Phil Crawley.
I'm James Leach from Haas Automation UK.
Scott Horton.
So my name's Andy Garrett, I'm the product manager for Makino products in the UK.
Good afternoon, my name's Nick Carter here. I'm the managing director for Curtical Precision.
Nick Peter from Heimbuch.
So we've got Ian Morton here, I almost forget the second name then, and Ian Keasley's over there.
Doug from MSC.
I mean, we're talking about World, Olympic, European and Commonwealth cycling champion KT Archbold.
The legend that is Richard Turner from NCMT. Can I just, Jay from Zeiss?
I think you're mistaken, I'm Richard Turner.
We're going to be talking about shrink fit.
Dragon skin coating.
The Med Center 5-axis Mitronian 4G.
The SL 2000 BM.
Chester V11.
So these are our Central P tool holders, Mark.
SR32 J3 Type B.
The M460V 5-axis.
A blue Photon Makino BX3.
So this is the Rope HB 130 mountain bike, 29er.
This is the SR20 J2.
We've got a 0-point system here.
We've got the new Power Clamp Air. This is the V8 3570.
The Chester 2 Hawk TC200 ML.
We're looking at the MX420, we're looking at the new MAM 7252V, and the SX38.
We hope you've enjoyed the MTD podcast live from Matt. It's something new and long may they continue.